Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council EM Lunsing Teron holds extended meeting in his home polling station. MP Horensing Bay lays foundation stone for construction of road in West Karbi Anglong. Hello and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I'm Julie Hansepi with the latest news for today, and now the news in details. With the aim of smooth functioning of the body, the Bokajan Press Club made an important reshuffle during a meeting held on Sunday morning. Our Bokajan correspondent brings this report. The meeting, which was called at 9 a.m. under the chairmanship of Bokajan Press Club President Prakash Gogoi, assisted by Secretary Anand Terang, commenced with hoisting of its flag immediately, followed by paying homage of departed ones in presence of Secretary Rubul Dihingya and Arjun Thapa. The agenda of the meeting in detail was briefed to its members by Secretary Rubul Dihingya. The scribes body unanimously agreed for dissolution of the existing body following the expiry of its 3-year term. The meeting for the day was led by Prakash Gogoi and Anand Terang, and after a long deliberation, Ranjit Bora was unanimously selected as the new president, while Anand Terang and Rubul Dihingya were selected as the vice president. Further, Suraj Mahanta was selected as the new secretary, while Arjun Thapa was selected as assistant secretary. In addition to this, Prandip Chetia was appointed as cultural secretary and Ganesh Paswan was appointed as office secretary, and another 8 persons were also appointed as executive members of the new body. A public meeting was held at 1 p.m. which was attended by ex-president Prakash Gogoi and the new president Ranjit Bora. Senior journalist Prasanta Kumar Madra and Sailendra Gogoi graced the meeting as guests, during which the new office bearers were given formal introduction. The meeting was concluded after felicitation of the new office bearers of the Bokajan Press Club. Anand Terang from Bokajan for Karbi Anglong Live. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council EM and local MAC of Mahamaya constituency Lunsing Teron had on Saturday held an extended meeting of the BJP party at his home polling station, Borganga Government LP School in Teke Rongpi village under Dokmuka police station. The meeting was held at around 3 p.m. in the evening at the Borganga Government LP School polling station. The meeting was chaired by Mojari Ronghang, and apart from the EM, the meeting was attended by VDC Chairman Orson Rongpi, former VDC Chairman Longsing Tokbi, Mandal President Purno Ingti, and several other local party leaders. During the meeting, EM Teron discussed with the villagers about several governmental schemes meant for the poor people. He promised to distribute piglets to the women of the village. However, the main topic of discussion in the meeting was to win the highest number of votes for the BJP from the entire constituency in the coming assembly election. The MAC urged the people to make his home polling station #1 polling station by casting votes in favor of the party. He also said that a football tournament will be organized very soon in memory of the veteran lyricists and cultural activists from the village late Joysing Rongpi. The local villagers urged the EM for early construction of a concrete between Kehai Teron and Mentaro villages. Samsing Inti from Dongmuka for Karbi Anglong Live. MP Horensing Bay on Sunday laid foundation stone for construction of roads in West Karbi Anglong district. The improvement of 2 kilometers road to be constructed would connect Langthat and Kangdong Inti village. MP Horensing Bay laid the foundation stone inside the Kopili MAC constituency at around 11 a.m. in presence of MLA Dr. Mansing Rongpi, Kopili VDC Chairman Honsing Terang, and several leaders and individuals of the area. While speaking at the event, MP Horensing Bay said that it is completely right and normal to see ticket aspirants in huge numbers ahead of any election, and that every member has the right to approach and express their keenness to contest from the party.
বিচাৰে নাই যে অমুকক দিব লাগে, অমুকক দিলে আমি ভোট দিম, অমুকক দিলেতো আমি ভোট দিম, এনেধৰণৰ আমাৰ বিজেপিত নাই। এটা দলীয় ওপৰ মহলসকলে যিটো সিদ্ধান্ত ল'ব, এই সিদ্ধান্তক কিন্তু আখৰে আখৰে আমাৰ বিজেপি ৰাইজে বা আমাৰ কৰ্মকৰ্তাসকলে সমৰ্থন দিয়ে। গতিকে এইবাৰ আমাৰ ২০ নম্বৰ ঠাইলাংছৰ পৰা বুজাটো আমাৰ গণতন্ত্ৰৰ কিবা এটা অধিকাৰ, এইটো গতিকে ময়ো বিচাৰিব পাৰে, আপুনিও বিচাৰিব পাৰে বিজেপিৰ কৰ্মী হিচাপে, গতিকে এইটো বিচৰাটো অপৰাধ নহয়। বিচৰা মানুহটো বহুত থাকিব পাৰে কিন্তু আমাৰ বিশেষকৈ MLA টিকেটৰ কাৰণেতো হয়তো আমাৰ চেণ্ট্ৰেল কেন্দ্ৰীয় কমিটিয়ে সিদ্ধান্ত ল'ব আৰু সিদ্ধান্ত যিয়েই নহওক আমি গ্ৰহণ কৰি পেলাই আমাৰ বিজেপিৰ প্ৰাৰ্থীক আমি বিপুল ভোটেৰে জয়যুক্ত কৰাটোহে আমাৰ কৰ্তব্য।
The MP also exuded great confidence over party's win in the upcoming MLA election scheduled to be held in 2020. Mohan Teron from Phelangpi for Karbi Anglong Live. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Deputy Speaker Ritesh Singh on Saturday distributed free land pattas to families of Theri Arong. The land pattas were distributed through the joint collaboration of Phuloni Circle Office staff and Nomati Mandal Committee. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Deputy Speaker Ritesh Singh, who is also putting his effort for the development of his home constituency, distributed land pattas to the villagers in presence of office staff of Phuloni Circle Office and President and Secretaries of the local Mandal Committee. In addition to this, the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Deputy Speaker also presented a wheelchair to a youth of the village in Denarong. Bikram Teron from Denarong for Karbi Anglong Live. In a major meeting of the All-Party Hills Leader Conference held on Sunday, 65 families from under Phuloni constituency joined the party and formed a new booth committee. The meeting was chaired by APHLC Finance Secretary Dhoniram Timong. During the formation of a new booth committee for the party, 45 families from Karkok Tongklong Bay village and 20 from Henru Abi Bura Rongpi village formally joined the party. The families joining the party had come from several other parties. During the meeting, local residents have expressed their disappointment towards the present ruling party as well as local representative.
La pini nili Tongklong Berong Karkok Tongklong Berong sar asupo aki biabang ahin pen nili pini la nili tum Karkok Tongklong Berong don paroi sira don plido labang so don pliang bongke nili tum pini alang li rong hang sang ho Phuloni konsensi long ke japon ining ingsam se lapen ining dokde a ota dur mime pucini pensi nilitum pini Karkok Tongklong Be arong ahin pen nilitum don plike brap ho nilitum sar kathar sar ke claim ke dam mesen puke thek dun long si nilitum pini labang so asong long nilitum ka chingbe dun lo pisi rat atheng no nilitum chepaklang lo lapen henrobi rong pia rong nilitum vote committee long wet lo lasi nilitum rong pia rong penta don ingkoi abangke pini labang so vote committee along nilitum chingwa chingsai pen pini labang so acitai long nilitum vote committee seng poniklo
Pidi boot kimet im committee bangso amai long tamini di tumta suarlu so tum sedame cipang room dun lo je ho nak cheng hot SDC CPML polong sini li tumta ciyuk dun bom claim dun bom lo la si pini bangke ing hong bom lo la tum bang ta party citkat tak lo ni di tumta pusi do bom lo la si nona bangke je la kathar sar la so atowar long si ni di tumta dun po pusi pini Karkok Tongklong Berong along pusitame nilitum ke NCA mate sualu suatum sitame nitum laso jiai kathar ke Japon atwar long sini ditum ta dun po lem dun po bangso sik se do rapot hak kachisong long si chesong dun po pusini ditum ta ar jab dun thip pen lem dun po pusi cicak dun lo lem pon po pusi cicak thip pen ditum ningak long pen lem po pusi kaddo gawe ditum ta cethan pon pen laso mai theng no long neng je dun lo
Dirchuna Rongpi from Phuloni for Karbi Anglong Live. Well, that's all we have with us for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live.